another sunny day, England, and naka-prepare na yung motor natin. Naka-prepare na si RC para sa kanyang second MOT this year. So it's been like 1 year now na nagpa-MOT tayo. So good sign na spring na is yung mga sakura is namumulaklak na guys. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung ba't kung ito hindi pa namumulaklak. Konti pa lang. Then dun, sa dulo meron din. Yan. So that's it, pansit. And good luck RC sa kanyang MOT. Sana pumasa agad. Cold start. So it's been a year now guys since we built our first project bike here in UK. Kaya nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng mga suporta, sa mga nag-subscribe sa YouTube ko, sa Facebook, sa TikTok. Maraming salamat guys. Asahan yung marami pa tayong mga content na ilalabas at dito sa UK. So check this one out guys, and thank you. At dito nga may napansin tayong dalawang matanda na gustong tumuwid, kaya pinauna ko na sila. So abangan nyo pala guys yung aking mga long rides na hindi pa napopost dito sa YouTube. As in first rides namin yun kasama ang mga Pilipino, and then lahat sila mga big bike. Ako lang yung naka underbone na Raider FI, pero nakikisabay naman. Pero kasi may speed limit dito, kaya nasasabayan ko naman sila. Pero syempre mas mabilis pa rin mga big bike, given na yan, given. At sa mga runabouts pala, sa mga bends, so wala na tayong pag-alala na sasayad yung ating mga tambucho or side stand kasi mataas na siya, kaya sobrang komportable na dalhin. So we are here at Blaiken at malapit na tayo sa shop. Nakakamiss tong mag bike meet dun sa Blake House na yun guys. So abangan nyo din yung mga vlogs ko dyan. At andun tayo, marami tayong mga public reaction nakaraan last year. So hopefully meron pa uling hahanga sa ating build. So kukontent natin yun. So, dito na tayo sa shop, and then nagabang na dito yung ating friend na si Dylan at si Rusty. How was the track? Yeah. Okay, so we're doing the MOT with Dylan. Came back from Spain to do his track. Yeah. So, checking. So we are here in Armadillo shop. So guys, if you want to do your MOT or service some stuff, you can go here at Armadillo Customs. They do a lot of works here. Checking the signal lights. All good. need to push it a bit further. That's it.
Have to adjust that.
Need to adjust it. Okay. Good. And here checking the throttle cable if there's any problem. All goods. Next is the screws from the top. So masaya lang talaga pag mag-MOT guys, kailangan is naka-tight ng lahat, pwede mahigpit ang lahat ng mga bolts and screws. Parang mas malala pa sa motor show yung mag-check ah. Dito naman, chine-check yung kanyang front wheel. Chine-check kung may mga uga-uga or mga loose na play. So far, so good naman. Just that one already. You know what, the one that before, because I didn't adjust this one. It's too low, so that's why.
Just to touch the bar.
Yeah. So dito, chine-check yung ating caliper kung may tagas o wala. Chine-check kung may mga oil na mga tumatagas. Ganun kasailan dito. Inisa-isa yung bolts. Make sure na mahigpit lahat, walang maluwag. Dito naman, chinek yung ating disc. So medyo may bed na talaga siya. So di ganoon kalala pero kailangan ng palitan. You've seen it. There's a bit, isn't it?
Yeah, a little bit bent, isn't it?
Pati yung mga pinaka sulok-sulok ng motor guys, chine-check talaga yan. Make sure talaga na walang uga or loose na mga bolts kasi safety first talaga dito. Kung safe i-ride yung ating mga sasakyan, ating mga motor, so less accident. Washers again. So yan talaga pinaka-importante dito. So check this one out guys. Ultimo bolt ng ating engine. Kailangan talaga yan may higpit lahat. Inaisa-isa talaga yan pag check. Make sure na walang loose or maluwag na mga bolts. Need to put bracket on that one, proper one.
Yeah. Could you not just extend your hose and
Yeah,
use that hole?
I'm just gonna put. And then yeah, I have a plan. I bought a new subframe. I'm gonna change, so I'm gonna cut it and then put a new subframe on it as well. Professional. Well, do you professional?
From
Professional. Have you seen the crack there under?
Yeah. How's that happen?
You know, like it's quite low.
Yeah.
When I changed that tire,
Oh, was
so it
running?
hits. Yeah,
Oh, right.
I've seen this one.
Oh, bloody hell.
Yeah, but it's okay. I mean, like it should be fine.
Still running ABS?
Sorry?
Still running the ABS?
No. This harness doesn't have an ABS system. Yeah. But if I put the harness of GSX, I think there is. And pati dito yung mga plate number, yung kanyang mga screws. Tapos kung maluwag ba or hindi. Then yung mga stoplight. Lahat yan, chine-check guys. Pati alignment ng mga gulong. Stricto talaga sila dito. How's the chain? It's fine, yeah?
Yeah, very dry.
Good. Finger licking. Yeah, put that one on. Right. Cable tie gaming. Yeah,
Not going anywhere.
if I bought that what they call this one subframe, it would be more clean this one and like that. At ultimo yung ating cup, yung cover ng ating tank, chine-check talaga yan guys. So next time may idea na kayo kung magpapa-MOT kayo sa mga baguhan pa lang, may idea na kayo kung paano i-MOT para ma-prevent at maiwasan yung mga mag-fail sa MOT. So dito na part, i-check yung mga ating brakes, front and rear. So dito front brake muna yung i-check. So isa to sa mga pinaka-importante na chine-check is yung brake. Kailangan functional lahat talaga. And this time yung rear brake naman. So both front and rear brake, meron dito silang numbers na binibase kung pasado ba yung kanyang kagat or hindi. So far, so good naman yung kanyang front and rear brakes. And then after this, i-check yung kanyang headlights, yung kanyang high beam at low beam. And as I said, meron tayong sinusunod na standard, yung kanyang taas ng kanyang low beam at yung taas at yung kanyang high beam. So dito sinusukat yung height ng ating headlight. Then after that, ito yung kanyang sukatan guys. Tingnan nyo, i-check nyo. Meron siyang line dyan sa loob para i-check kung mataas or mababa. So sa atin, sakto lang. Medyo mababa ng konti pero sakto lang din. So tapos ng MOT natin and then so good to go na tayo. So see you on the road. Let's go. So ayun na nga, yun ang end ng ating MOT and thankfully nakapasa lahat. Although may mga minors tayo na kailangan i-adjust at kailangan palitan. At sana meron kayong natutunan sa video na to. So para to sa mga baguhan lang dito at gusto magkamotor. So that's all. Peace out. Ride safe.